Hello and good evening, everybody. We're doing it again, and this time is probably the week of Mardi Gras. I'm doing a little Mardi Gras mix. This one's called the Tropical Sunrise. It's a little spin of the tequila sunrise, but hold the tequila. This is a little bit more sweeter, not as much alcohol, but it is more fun to play with. The color is great, and this one's all about layering. So we'll get to that one here in a minute. So first, let's start off with the most basic of basic shit, orange juice. Now, I know most tequila sunrises is tequila and grenadine, that's it. And the reason the layering works with that is because it's not based on the acid balance, but more of the sugar content. The more sugar in it, the heavier it drops and it sinks. The more alcohol is in it, the lighter the density is and it floats. So you're gonna see that here in a minute. So we're gonna pour in our orange juice. And like I said, it looks like a lot, and it is a lot. But we will make it work. Pour it into your little daiquiri glass, and then you pour in your grenadine. Grenadine is super high sugar content. You can literally have a bottle this size and it'll last you for a long fucking time, just because you don't require so much of it. So a little bit of sugar there. That should be enough. And already you see the layering building up. You already got it all standing out. It already looks pretty as it is. So now we are gonna make our alcohol for it. Now this requires vodka and lemon liqueur or Midori, but Midori is also sweet. So if I would have poured a Midori in, it will sink to the bottom. It will just mix up with nasty. So we got to lighten it up. In order for us to lighten it up, we got to, mix it with some vodka. Increase the alcohol content on it. So why not? This is a big glass, and we're big people. And then we are going to do our vodka. Today I'm using house vodka again. This one's really good. It's about 15 bucks specs. All right, so a shot. There we go. All we gotta do now is stir it up a bit. Chill it out. And this is when the layering magic happens. You can see the magic happening. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. It's very tropical, it's very fruity, it's very in theme for the Mardi Gras. Multiple colors, little Jamaican, little but this really is a super sweet drink to make. You guys would love it. It's a fun thing to have. Let's take a little sip from this. You can mix it up and stuff, but the idea is to get it from the bottom and sip up. Oh man, that is fucking delicious. Oh, that's real good. The Midori mixes well. The vodka just really adds the kick to it. I mean, this is a fucking badass drink. I am actually highly impressed. This is the first time you're having it. It's a little bit on the sweeter side, so guaranteed hangover if you drink too much of these. But like I said, these are relatively cheap, easy to make. This is a great way to fucking have fun at a beachside or poolside. Mardi Gras, like I said, you can walk around with these daiquiri cups, fill that bitch up, do your own math in your head on how you make it on the bigger cups, but it is possible to do. With that being said, man, enjoy it. Have a safe Mardi Gras. Find your rebirth. Enjoy your life. Drink safe. Drink smart. Drink responsibly. And as always, take care, motherfuckers.